Hello friend, today I have a Lincoln, a fourth Lincoln, signature limited. This car customer complaint, the blower fan on all time on the blower fan. Where is the location? The blower fan control module. In this video I will show you where is the location, the blower fan control module and location the blower fan motor and how to test it. And how to test the module. This is a module, front blower fan control module. This is the blower fan control module. This is the location for the blower fan control module. Behind the heater pipe, it has this is the connector, 5-pin connector. One is chassis ground, another one main for the blower fan to provide a B negative electric to the blower fan. How to test this? This is the parts number. If you have same problem, you must need to change these parts. If the blower fan on all time, working all time, when you on the ignition switch, you must need to change this one. This is transistor, 3-pin transistor. This is emitter, this is emitter, this is collector, and this one base. In this video I will show you how to test. Must you need to set multimeter in continuity mode. This is the transistor. Base and emitter short together. Very easy to test this one. Base and emitter short. You can easily diagnose how to test blower control module.